Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a shock revalve on this 2023 KTM 300SX. The shock was set up to our JBI suspension, flowy single track spec, specifically for the Southwest Arizona off-road type riding. That is where this customer is located and will be doing the majority of their riding. In the Southwest of the United States, tends to be very rocky, dry dirt, lots of cactus, a fair amount of roots from like cactus and other dry plants out in the desert. But big emphasis on rocks and dryness for the Southwest desert in Arizona. Good amount of sand sections and ravines and sand rollers and whoops. But again, big emphasis on lots of rocks and dry dirt. So, along with the Revalve, we did our JBI suspension bladder kit upgrade. That is a piece you can see here with the gold cylinder and red cap. Complete details on this can be found at ridejbi.com. The key takeaway from this are the bladder kits make the shock more responsive in comparison to the piston style that comes on its stock. And for many other people, it is much easier to service for it as well. At Ride JBI, we're set up to service and revalve either style of shock, whether we convert this to a bladder or keep it as a piston. However, the majority of people prefer to go with the bladder kit. Doing so makes the shock much closer to the WP track shock. Consider that the A-kit version of this shock. That shock comes with a bladder already installed in it. Unknowingly to a lot of people is it utilizes the same main damping piston inside the shock body. That is about right here. So the track shock, while it does look aesthetically different, and it has the high speed and low speed adjusters separated instead of in one unit incorporated like this. It does look quite different aesthetically, but it's not too wildly different than these OEM shocks, especially once you put a bladder kit on it. You have it much closer to the track setup as well. As you can see, we have a different spring on here. We went with a 50 kg, which is a 49 Newton. It's gonna be just perfect for this rider size. The 48 Newton was close, but they had to run a lot of preload on it in order to get the sag numbers that they wanted. So it made the shock very springy and bouncy, and it'd kick around too much. So at this 49, a slightly stiffer spring, we can utilize a little less preload. And also during the revalve, we updated the rebound stack inside of the shock to be matched to the spring rate that we're using. So that way the shock will have the proper amount of rebound for the shock spring that it is now matched up with. Ride JBI has also tested, tuned, and developed many other suspension settings for these WP linkage shocks. We have tested, tuned, and developed the settings for all the different types of off-road riding, for motocross, arena cross, supercross, and freestyle motocross. If you'd like Ride JBI to do your suspension, please give us a call or send us an email. We can discuss the year, make, and model of your bike, which options are available, and which setup would be most advantageous for you. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.